Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from POCO F7 Ultra to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it and set it up by tapping on the same options in both. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of POCO and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on POCO, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here some tip pop up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!